What if I told you magic is real? Not the kind you see in fairy tales or fantasy novels, but a different kind of magic altogether. Not the kind with wands and spells, though those are fun to imagine. This magic is more profound, more intricate, and woven into the very fabric of our existence. I'm talking about the magic woven into the fabric of the universe itself. The magic we're just beginning to understand through science. It's the kind of magic that reveals itself in the patterns of the stars and the complexity of our DNA. For centuries, practitioners of witchcraft have claimed to harness unseen forces to shape their reality. They believed in the power of the unknown, the unseen, and the mystical. Could they have been onto something? Could their rituals and spells have been early attempts to tap into the natural laws of the universe? Could what we call magic simply be natural laws we haven't fully grasped yet? The mysteries of the universe are vast and often beyond our current understanding. Science is all about exploring the unknown. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we know and venturing into uncharted territories. It's about asking questions and seeking answers in the world around us. Every discovery, no matter how small, brings us closer to understanding the magic of the universe. And sometimes, the most profound discoveries are found in the most unexpected places. In the depths of the ocean, in the heart of a jungle, or even in a single drop of water. Just as ancient civilizations looked up at the stars and saw gods and monsters, perhaps those who practiced witchcraft were tapping into forces we're only now beginning to comprehend. Forces that are as real as the ground beneath our feet. Could the universe be even more wondrous than we ever imagined? The more we explore, the more we realize how much there is yet to discover. One of the fundamental principles of witchcraft is the existence of a universal energy, often referred to as life force or mana. This energy is not just a mystical concept, but a tangible force that practitioners believe they can sense and manipulate. This energy is believed to flow through all things, connecting us to each other and to the cosmos. It forms an intricate web that binds every living and non-living entity in the universe. Sound familiar? Science tells us that everything in the universe is made up of energy. This concept is not just limited to the mystical, it is a fundamental principle of physics. From the smallest atom to the largest star, everything vibrates with this fundamental force. These vibrations are the building blocks of all matter and energy in the universe. We see this energy in the form of light, heat, and electricity. These manifestations of energy are what power our daily lives and the world around us. We've learned to harness it to power our homes and fuel our technology. Solar panels, wind turbines, and power lines are all examples of how we capture and utilize this energy. But what if we could learn to harness it in other ways, ways that seem almost magical? Imagine using this energy to heal, to create, or to transform. What if we could tap into this universal energy field and direct it with our minds? The possibilities are endless and could revolutionize our understanding of the world. It might sound like science fiction, but the universe is full of surprises. Who knows what secrets and powers lie hidden, waiting to be discovered? Central to the practice of witchcraft is the concept of intention, a powerful force that shapes the very fabric of their magical endeavors. Witches believe that by focusing their thoughts and emotions, they can influence the flow of energy and bring about change in their lives, manifesting their desires into reality. This idea might seem far-fetched to some, but modern science, particularly the field of quantum physics, is beginning to reveal some startling truths about the nature of reality that might make us reconsider our skepticism. Quantum physics suggests that our observations can actually influence the behavior of subatomic particles, altering their state in ways that defy traditional logic. The act of observing, of focusing our attention, seems to collapse a wave function of possibilities into a single outcome, a phenomenon that challenges our understanding of the universe. Could this principle apply on a larger scale, beyond the microscopic world? Could our intentions, our focused thoughts and desires, have a tangible impact on the world around us, shaping reality in ways we are only beginning to understand? The world of quantum physics is a bizarre and counterintuitive one, full of concepts that seem more like magic than science. Particles can exist in multiple states at once. Information seems to travel faster than the speed of light, and the very act of observation can alter the outcome of an experiment. One of the most mind-boggling concepts is quantum entanglement, where two particles become linked even across vast distances. When you measure the state of one particle, You instantaneously know the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. This interconnectedness hints at a deeper level of reality, one where separation is an illusion and everything is connected. This echoes the fundamental principles of witchcraft.